Uric acid is a natural waste product from the digestion of food containing purines. While it's normal to have some uric acid in your body, too much of it can lead to problems like gut and kidney stones. But don't worry, there are natural ways to manage and reduce uric acid level through your diet. In this video, we will explore top food that can help you lower your uric acid naturally. So let's get started. Before we jump into the food, it's essential to understand what uric acid is and why it's important to keep its level in check. Uric acid is produced when your body breaks down purines, which are natural substances found in certain food and drinks. Normally, uric acid dissolves in your blood, passes through your kidneys, and exits your body through urine. However, when your body produces too much uric acid or your kidneys cannot excrete enough of it, the level builds up, leading to hyperuricemia. This condition can cause sharp, needle-like crystals to form in your joints, resulting in painful gut attack or a stone in your kidneys. Top food that reduce uric acid level naturally. Number 1. Cherries. Cherries are well known for their ability to reduce uric acid levels. They contain antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound called anthocyanin that help lower uric acid and prevent gut attack. Studies have shown that consuming cherries or cherry juice can significantly decrease uric acid level and reduce the frequency of gut flare-ups. Number 2. Citrus fruit. Citrus fruit like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are high in vitamin C, which can help lower uric acid levels. Vitamin C helps in reducing uric acid by increasing its excretion through urine. Regular consumption of citrus fruit or their juices can be a great addition to your diet if you are looking to manage uric acid levels. Number 3. Berries. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound. These properties help reduce inflammation and lower uric acid level. Adding a variety of berries to your diet can provide numerous health benefits, including better uric acid management. Apples. Apples have a high dietary fiber content. This helps you decrease uric acid level. Fiber absorbs uric acid from the bloodstream and eliminates the excess uric acid from your body. Moreover, apples are also rich in malic acid, which helps to neutralize the effect of uric acid in the body. Number 5. Bananas. Bananas are low in purines and high in vitamin C, making them an excellent choice for people with high uric acid levels. They can also help reduce uric acid level and prevent gut attack. Including bananas in your diet is an easy way to manage uric acid naturally. Number 6. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are rich in chlorophyll and other beneficial compounds that help detoxify the body and reduce uric acid levels. They are also high in fiber, which support overall kidney health and help in the excretion of uric acid. Celery has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for gut and high uric acid level. It contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce uric acid and prevent gut attack. Drinking celery juice or incorporating celery in your meals can be beneficial for managing uric acid. Number 8. Green tea. Green tea is known for its numerous health benefits, including its ability to lower uric acid levels. It contains catechins, which are powerful antioxidants that help reduce uric acid and prevent its crystallization in the joints. Drinking green tea regularly can be a great addition to your uric acid lowering diet. Number 9. Low-fat dairy products. Low-fat dairy products such as skim milk, yogurt, and cheese have been shown to lower uric acid levels. They contain protein that promote the excretion of uric acid through urine. Including low-fat dairy in your diet can help manage uric acid level effectively. Number 10. Water. Staying well hydrated is crucial for managing uric acid level. Drinking plenty of water helps dilute uric acid and promotes its excretion through urine. Aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily to keep your kidneys functioning optimally and reduce the risk of uric acid buildup. Additional tip to manage uric acid level. In addition to incorporating this food in your diet, there are some extra tips to help you manage and reduce uric acid level naturally. Limit urine-rich foods. Food high in purines such as red meat, organ meat, and certain seafood can increase uric acid level. Limit your intake of these foods to prevent uric acid buildup. Avoid sugary beverages. Sugary drinks and sodas, especially those containing high fructose corn syrup, can raise uric acid level. Use water, herbal teas, or freshly squeezed juice instead. Maintain a healthy weight. Being overweight can increase uric acid production and reduce its excretion. Maintaining a healthy weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise can help manage uric acid levels. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity can help maintain healthy uric acid level. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Limit alcohol consumption. Alcohol, particularly beers and spirits, can rise uric acid levels. Limit your alcohol intake to reduce the risk of hyperuricemia and gout attack. Monitor your uric acid level. Regular checkups and monitoring your uric acid level can help you stay on track and make necessary dietary adjustments to maintain healthy levels. Managing uric acid level naturally through your diet is an effective way to prevent gout attack and other health issues associated with hyperuricemia. By incorporating these foods in your daily meals and following the additional tips, you can significantly reduce uric acid level and improve your overall health. Remember, consistency is key, and making these dietary changes a part of your lifestyle can lead to long-term benefits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and information.